Ever feel like your transitions just aren't hitting the way you want them to? Next time, use Control E. Here's how to use it. First, go to the timeline with Command 2 and select a clip or edit point with \. Then, with the clip or edit point selected, press Control E. Welcome to the Precision Editor, giving you a clear view of exactly where clips connect. Click and drag to adjust the position of the incoming clip, transition location, or outgoing clip. Use the arrow up and down keys to navigate between edit points. You can even adjust the duration of transitions. Once happy, press Control E to close the Precision Editor. Want to become a pro at editing? Visit anawesomeguide.com for even more shortcuts.